Hope you can see this. Have my multimeter set to 20K. Have the leads hooked up to alligator clips to get a reading. This is the ABS sensor. You have 2 prongs in there. When you hook them up to the prongs, you'll get a reading. Mine, I already have taken this all apart. I was trying to find videos on this specific truck. Couldn't find anything. Trying to find specifications for what these should read. Couldn't find anything. I've seen people reading the ohm meters readings. So it's a little bit of a pain. You want to make sure that you don't touch. I've seen videos where guys use copper. I don't have any copper. But what I did was put them together. Put your finger in between to keep them separated. And you'll get the reading. So you see the reading about 2.43. Other way, you can just switch it over to continuity, and if they touch, it'll beep. Once it stops beeping, then you know you're not touching. You can switch it over to 12K, and it'll give you your reading. Alright, well anyway, you see we got a reading on that one. So I know that one's good. So that was the driver's side on mine. So I come over here, and this is the one that I'm assuming is bad. Not getting a reading. So I guess that's open. Not getting a reading. So I went to Advance Auto. Got a new passenger side sensor. It was $44.95, $48 or something like that here in Pennsylvania. I'd recommend if you're getting alligator clips, get yourself some small ones. I had these in the house. Anyway, so the brand new one's measuring 2.55. The passenger side. As you can see right there, the sensor shoots through. A lot of rust. I don't know if you can see. I'll try to get a picture here. But it's not the rotor, but I forget what it's called, like a toggle that spins inside there that the sensor actually goes. And right there you can actually see the sensor poking through. Well, right above that, it looks like a sprocket. But that's it spins and creates some sort of like magnetic reading. So when your wheel's spinning and it's spinning from a different speed from the other side, it'll activate your ABS. So when your ABS light's on, it actually your ABS isn't working. Sensor is located right here. I've seen a video where a guy had took the whole rotor off and everything, but on mine, all I had to do is the sensor's held in. You can see the sensor slides in the hole right here, and one bolt, and then the wires fed up. So all I did was, remove the tire and jack the car up. I did check as I hooked it up while the sensor to the leads, and the sensor was still in place, and rotated the rotor, and I got a little bit of a different reading where it went up. It was kind of constant, where that 2.4, 2.5 on 20K ohm. So what I'm gonna do now is take the sensor, and there is a difference in passenger side and driver's side. So I removed both of them, and you want to make sure you're replacing them to the right locations. What I did was clean out around the dirt and rust on the sensor. So basically, it's just one bolt. So you slide the sensor back in. The holes lined up right. You're gonna tighten that back up in place. Alright, put it back in place there. I ended up using a socket wrench, 8mm socket. It's a lot quicker. So like I said, there's a little nipple that comes out where this plate goes back in place. Clips in, around, that's in place. This is in place. Let's see here, I can see. This will clip back into place. Slide in. See, go up here. And then push back through there.